Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel, 20BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. So if you clicked on this video and you are just curious about what does Winnie BLV's channel make every month? Okay, I'm going to go through my analytics with you, not deep diving, I'm just going to go through the money that I made in August through this channel. And it will be a little more than it typically is because I sold something usually that's down in my box. Girl, if she could sell that, she'd be a millionaire. I'm kidding. I'd be flat broke like I am now. Anyway, if you clicked on this, you're in the right place. Let's do this. I know people say it's taboo to talk about how much money you make and da-da-da-da-da. This is a for fun only hobby. It does not net enough money for me to pay my bills.
Pay my bills are paid.
To change anything, to, quit my day job. That's just what it is. And typically when I tell someone that I have a YouTube channel that doesn't know me, or maybe that does know, maybe my family and friends, they're always curious and they always ask. First thing they ask is, do they pay you? Can you get paid doing YouTube? And then when you say, yeah, they pay you a little bit. Well, like how much? Like how does it work? So I'm going to show you what I made in the month of August, it being September when you see this. I just, have gotten all my analytics together, my revenue or whatever you want to call it. I'll just go ahead and tell you, I won't keep you hanging on to the end of the video. We'll go through what made what. And I just thought this would be interesting, and I am not currently, I'm buying some contemporary bags, but I am currently not buying luxury on purpose. I'm not on Van Island because you guys see that I have some Coach and some Tory Burch and stuff like that. Maybe I let the cat out of the bag, but yeah. So I have a few things coming and then I'm going to show you. But as far as luxury goes, I have put a stop on that since July. I haven't bought anything that is luxury. I do have one fashion file reserve that I need to get out at the end of the month. So I continue to pay on that. But as far as me going crazy like I have been, these bitches behind me, should have put them brakes on and hard, okay? So that is why I'm coming up with content that I think you guys will like, and that might be a little interesting and fun along the way. So hopefully you are interested in this. Okay, I'm going to give you the grand total now. This is what I made from YouTube, specifically from having this channel. In the month of August, it was $1,148.14, $1148.14. Now, I'm going to break that down into how and what the categories are. There are 3 categories that I earned money from this channel specifically in the month of August. That is a high number. I usually don't make that much. Sometimes I make more when I have a vlog sale or someone buys something in the description box, then the channel does net me a little more money. But as far as Google AdSense goes, so let me give you a frame of reference. I have, at this point in time, I just looked, I have over 6,300 subscribers. So I am a small channel. That's what it is. And I know people with I saw somebody say something that maybe it was Cammie the other day, like, you have a lot of, subscribers. Yes, and it feels great. I'm excited. But in the grand scheme of things, my channel is just tiny and a little blip on the screen, not even a blip on the radar. So by having the 6,300 subscribers, I have that on this day, the first week of September. Hopefully that number will go up. It goes up every month and I'm very, very happy about that. This is my 3rd year. So I think the 28th was the very first, 28th of September, 2019. Yes, was the first time that I ever posted a video. I had been gearing up for it and ramping up for it like a year before. I just finally got the courage up and said, boom, we're going to do it. And it was slow growth. It's been slow and steady growth all along. So, you know, it does in the luxury realm of things, doing luxury bags and this type of niche. I've drilled down into a niche, right? This niche is, to me, it feels like it is a slower grower. I say that 10 times fast. Maybe you don't want to. I don't ever want to say it again. But yeah, it has been a very slow growth process. I think that luxury channels, by and far, unless you are somebody who can, you know, afford to unbox all the time, you know, there are a couple of gals that come to mind, and no shame in their game. I love them. I subscribe to them and I love their channels. You may know who I'm talking about. Unless you're someone who can unbox $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, your channel consists of, you know, very nice luxury items, you are going to grow very quick. If you're someone like me who can't, but hasn't figured that out till recently, unbox brand new luxury items every video, you're gonna go slow and steady with your, you know, what fits in my bag, reviews of bags, shopping hauls, things like that. So it is a very slow process. So from Google AdSense, at the time of making this video, in the month of August, I have 6,300 and some odd subscribers, okay? And if you guys would, I'll wait just a second. You guys can hit that subscribe button for me. Did you do it? Thank you. Oh my God, I love you guys. Anyway, so 63 and rising, 6,300 and rising. So on Google AdSense, I made $337.46 from just doing the videos from Google AdSense from YouTube. That's what I made. Yeah, sometimes it's a little more than that. Sometimes it's a little less than that, but that is typically in the $300 to $400 range what I make on my videos. From doing this, I've seen better revenue in the months of January for sure, because Vlogmas, I don't particularly do Vlogmas, but for some reason during the shopping months, starting in like November and December, you actually do get more viewers for whatever reason. People are going online and they're actually seeking out things that they want to buy, loved ones, and maybe I've happened to have unboxed something that, you know, somebody wanted to see. That's my thinking on it. I don't really know why, but yeah, it makes sense that you make a little bit more. That January check is usually a little bit more, but we're just coming out of August, and so I will tell you the 5 top videos that made money for me this month. It was this bag just dropped. A Coach bag, they do well. That made $29.81. This Coach bag is a vibe. That has made $29.02, or, you know, that's what I got in August on that video. You asked me questions. The questions and answer video made $28.50. The 4th video was what new bag did I buy from eBay? That made $27.87. And then the 5th, rounding out the top 5 videos that made me money in the month of August, my LV 3 of a kind trifecta video that I did with Candy. That made $27.86, so right behind that other video. So I'm looking down at my notes, guys. But yeah, so those are what netted me the most money. Incidentally, I have a video, so you just never know. I have a video that is nowhere related to luxury, that when I posted the video, I think I got like 1,500 views on it when I posted it. It is this video, which is old lady breast reduction, or older lady breast reduction video. I might change this thumbnail. It actually is still making me money, and it is still a year and a half later, still getting views. At the time of this recording, this has well over 4,300 views, so people are interested in seeing what happened to me when I had my breast reduction, and it has nothing to do with luxury, so go figure. That's one of my, you know, money-making videos, and it's still getting views. So when you put something out there, guys, if you build it, they will come. That's true. That's what she said. No, seriously, it will happen because people continually look in your old videos. I still have my first video. Still, I think it made 2 cents this month. So I still have people looking at older videos, and that's a good thing because you still are generating money from that. Now, I do magic links, also some like sponsor videos that also pay a commission. So all total on that, in the $1148.14 that I told you I made in August, I made a whopping $318.87, which was pretty good for me. It's actually getting better every month. That to me is, I think, where you make more money than you actually can on YouTube, is doing your sponsored videos, your clickable links, stuff like that, which doesn't cost you anything, but it does make a little bit of money for me or for the YouTuber. So that's another way that you can make revenue, if you didn't already know, from your YouTube channel once you get monetized. And from the description box where I tell you every week, get down there, roll her out of my box, see what I've got for sale. I actually made $491.81 from somebody buying something that was listed in my box. So that came up with $1148.14. I hope that that will get better, but I use that money. I try to separate the money that I make from my channel and put it aside. Of course, there will be taxes to pay on that. Not much, because I don't make a whole lot of money, but they 1099 you. Google AdSense will 1099 you at the end of the year, and you will have to pay taxes and, you know, report it as income. So that's one thing that I do as far as that goes. But yeah, hopefully that will rise. And like I said, I just stick that over into another account. I have a couple of purse or just spending accounts that I will put the money in there. I paid for our vacation this year that we are taking out of some of the money that I've made and earned from having this channel. So it's very nice, and also selling bags and stuff. So it's nice that I park that money somewhere, and you know, I can use it to buy. I've been buying Coach stuff. I've been buying some perfumes. So yeah, when you see me doing, you know, contemporary bags and shoes and little things like that, it comes from the money that I earn from doing this, the thing that I love most in the world besides my people. But I enjoy doing this so much, and making a little money too is even better. Do I make, this is the funny thing, do you or do I make enough money to warrant, I mean, the work that you do? So I'll record this, you know, take me 30 minutes to set up and record this video, take me 2 or 3 hours to edit it down and then post the video or schedule it. So the money earned from doing all the work, each video probably takes anywhere from 3 to 6 to 7, sometimes 8 hours. So if you post 2 to 3 videos a week, you spend a good 20 hours on work. So you can see that the money nowhere near is payment enough for all the work you do. But I do it because I love it, and I enjoy it, and I enjoy you guys. And I just get a kick out of it. When it stops becoming fun and starts becoming a chore and something that I don't want to do and I have to drag myself to do it, we'll stop. We will stop, right? Okay, so thank you for watching this today. If you have any questions about you know, the YouTube world, how money is dispersed and paid and all of that, just comment down below. I can do a follow-up video to this if you guys want me to. And let me know if you enjoyed knowing what it is that people with as many subscribers as I have, or as little subscribers as I have, how much the money that they can make or net from just doing this. All right, thank you so much. I will tell you because I always do, the scent of the day is this. It is the Atelier des Ors, I think, Rouge Sarré, I can't say it, it's French. But it's got the gold flakes in there. It's cinnamon, plum, I believe there's some dates in this. Oh, I'd love to take this on a date. God, it's so good. The things I would do to you. No, seriously, it is that good. Oh, God, it's beautiful. But anyway, yeah, spicy, warm, masculine leaning. So I just, manly, but I like it too.
Manly, yes, but I like it too.
The bag of the day, guys. Don't tell my daughter. I know don't tell my husband, but definitely don't tell my daughter. It's it's the Neverfull pouch from her Neverfull. She left it here for me to carry. Maybe. She forgot it here, but don't tell her. Okay. And remember, guys, hit the subscribe, hit the like, comment down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week into the weekend. We will do something. I don't know what, but we're going to do it. Yes, stick around. We'll have some more fun. We'll do some more videos. Tell me what you want to see. And also, if you can do me one favor, please, if you see my husband, girl, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh, guys. I love this. I love it. This concretes the idea. I know I'm not buying luxury right now, but whenever I can save enough money, I really want... I don't know if I want the metallic behind it, but I want this Louis Vuitton, these LV. I know they make a big wallet in it, but I'm not into big wallets anymore. They make it in white with this. They make it in black, and those two in the puffy, what is it? You know, what is it called? Cousin. Oh, I think I would like to have a black one in the Cousin pochette, but that is still $3,000. No, bitch, just say no. Loving you. I love this, but don't tell my daughter. Seriously, I gotta give it back to her. Inching my way to $1 million. One subscriber at a time. Thank you, bitches.